Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you Samsung Galaxy A25 tips, tricks, and hidden feature. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Samsung Galaxy phone, and first of all, we need to go to our settings application, this one, and I'm going to start with connection setting. You can open up the connection setting, and I'm going to show you how we can activate data warning. We can go to the data usage here, and you can click on billing cycle and data warning, and you can set a data warning. So if the data usage has reached the limit, you will get warning on your notification. Okay, it will be very useful if you want to save your data usage on your Samsung Galaxy phone. Okay, and the second one, I'm going to show you how we can block ads on our Samsung Galaxy phone. So you can go to the more connection setting, and you need to set this private DNS. Okay, like the private DNS provider host name, and you can add this one, dns.edgar.com, and the ads on your Android mobile phone will be blocked, but some apps may be still appear, but most of them are blocked. Okay, and the second one, I'm going to go to the display. I'm going to show you this motion smoothness feature. You can either choose high or standard. If you want to choose high, it means that you are not allowed to activate power saving mode. Okay, here I'm just choosing the standard because I'm going to save my battery. Okay, you can customize your motion smoothness here on the Samsung Galaxy A25, and here you can go to the edge panel as well. You can activate edge panel. Wait, okay, this is for the edge panel. Using this edge panel, you will be able to get quick access to important apps on your Samsung Galaxy phone. And here you can customize the navigation bar as well. You can either choose button or swipe gestures. And here you can select the button order as well. All right, and I'm going to go back to the main setting, and I'm going to go to the themes. Okay, you can go to the themes to customize your wallpaper and then your icons as well. You can choose the theme that you like here to make your phone looks more aesthetic and more captivating. Okay, I'm going to go back to the main setting, and the last one, I'm going to show you about the assistant menu. This is how the assistant menu looks like, and I can say that this is a hidden feature on a Samsung Galaxy phone. It's hidden right here in the accessibility setting. You can open up the accessibility and go to the interaction and dexterity, and you can activate assistant menu here. After you activate the assistant menu, you will get this icon, and you can get quick access to some features like brightness, cursor, and screenshot. Okay, using this assistant menu, you will be able to take screenshot without button on your Samsung Galaxy phone like this. Okay, and I think that's enough. Okay guys, and those are the Samsung Galaxy A25 tips, tricks, and hidden feature. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.